Hey gems, and welcome back to Mae Chronicles. Today is my off day and I decided to do a deep cleaning in the house today. I'll be cleaning everything. Probably won't record all of this stuff just because I want to actually be efficient, but that's what I have planned today. So taking you guys with me.
Shout out my mucus. Hey, can you know that be my slime? I swear that girl she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl she a gem.
My AirPods and Apple Pencil is here. It only took like 2 days and I got it customized. So let's see. I'm not like irresponsible, but I lost my AirPods when I was on my way to my commute to Detroit. I lost my AirPod case and it had my name on it, so of course I had to get a new one, which is... You're making so much noise. Why did I drop it already?
No, I'm not irresponsible.
I'm not irresponsible. It's funny. Oh, and you know what's crazy? When I first started the flight attendant journey, on like it was my first layover, I lost my Apple Pencil. So I finally got a new Apple Pencil. So yeah. Isn't that crazy? Finally got a new Apple Pencil. And my name was on the Apple Pencil as well, but I lost it. I really feel like the cleaning people stole it. Because when I called back up there looking for it, they fired their, what is it called? Their lost and found person. Because everything that was lost was never found. So, you know how that goes. So I finally got a new Apple Pencil and it is so freaking cute. Apple Pencil for my iPad. And last but not least, what I need for sure is a computer. I no longer have a MacBook. Well, I didn't have a MacBook Pro for like 2 years, and I think that's why I wasn't editing videos, because I hate coming home from a long day of working or a long trip to have to be in my like office space. That's what I call it. To be in that room and edit all day, because editing is not like a 20-minute thing, depending on how long the video is. So I needed another laptop to edit my videos so that I can be on the go editing videos. So when I'm at the airport not doing anything, that's the perfect time to edit, and that's what I plan on doing. So you guys will get more videos, and yeah. So this is the computer. I'm so happy. The last time I had a new MacBook Pro was in 2016. So 6 years in the making. Literally, because I got it around this time for college. So yeah, your girl is happy. Now I gotta make good use of it and do as I say I'm going to do, which is edit these videos and put them out on time. No games played. I was scared for them to ship it, but how they put it in here makes a lot of sense for it not to break. I got some new cleaning products, and I got this one for me and this one for my mom. Not including all of these cleaning products back here. Plus some more in there. Am I the only one that's too lazy to put all of this stuff up there? I usually have it up there, but it's so heavy like this. Stuff be too heavy to just pick it back up every time I gotta wash. So about to wash these towels. Going to put some vinegar in there. My mom put me on the cleaning vinegar. It's good for all of this stuff, so I will be using this just about all today. Laundry sanitizer for towels and like work clothes. And then this, I don't know, I just thought the box was cute, so we shall see. What if my camera could stay like this? I don't think it's going to though. So, of course, put this in. Don't judge me how much I use because I probably use a lot, but not too much, just enough. I don't measure it just because I think I can eyeball it and it's good enough. So yeah, I'm gonna go put a cap full of this in here. Smells good. I probably should put more in there. Let's see how much this is. It says 3.3. Okay, I'm just gonna pour. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's hope that's 3.3 first. And then, last but not least, I want to put the cleaning vinegar in here. I don't think that I need stain remover in the towels, but yeah, so we're not going to use that. We're just going to use the cleaning vinegar and then next test. Oh, let me say this. I did not do anything to my hair, just woke up. Edge is still looking pretty good, so period. I don't know if I just used too much stuff, but let's just hope that I didn't. I just went and bought, like, that's this, most of the stuff you've seen besides the regular laundry detergent, I just went and bought, so it may be a tad much, but I don't know. We'll see when the towels come out fresh and clean. Usually I don't walk around with shoes like this. I put on my house shoes, but I just got back in the house, so I have to go put my house shoes on. Okay, this is much better. And I also don't usually bring this, which is my travel, like my work suitcase upstairs, but I gotta wash those clothes too, so this is my reminder to take them out. Time to drink.
When they're finished with the new parts coming in there, the car is going to be stronger than it ever was from the factory. New steel, the thicker steel, a few extra guesses, and these guys know what they're doing.
It ain't as frozen now.
So on this build, we're testing out some new fabricators. This one's a little bit different because these are not our guys, but we wanted to see if one of these guys is worth hiring. So Esteban can evaluate it right now with Tony and figure out who's
One for me, one for Babe.
right now. So the new guys are doing great. Now it's really time for these.
When I say those pouches don't do nothing, I just found out that it's wine and not alcohol, because I used to think it was alcohol in there. But we're about to drink this. Bae got this when we went to Cabo for my birthday. I don't think, have I drunk it since we've been here? Oh yeah, I drank it one time. So we're gonna see.
Now it's really just a fit and finish. Get the guys in here to wrap it so we can start buttoning it together.
I can't open it, babe.
Get the wheels on it.
Look at Lily staring at me.
Hopefully get it on the road. So it seems like we're good, right? You feel good about it?
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
Okay. So fingers crossed we just push everybody to the finish line?
Yep.
We alright? Alright.
Hi, Louie.
Now I got the panels done.
Hi, my Louie in the back.
They're in paint. So what I'm going to do is get started on the stud enclosure. We're going to go with
Okay.
the speakers that are shelling out.
So, we're about to pour it out.
Seat inside the
I'll be
vehicle.
back. It's called Mi Familia
Get it
Flores.
assembled, get it under the seats, get it mounted, and get it tuned.
I love Blanco, but this is, I don't know if it's Anjo, whatever that is.
All the way through. Then you
I'm always trying to get Bae to drink.
So we're really getting down to it, but we got a long ways to go.
Here you go.
Summer still has to be finished. The wrappers just arrived. They gotta wrap the whole truck and trailer and the inside.
Y'all, I told you I don't like this flavor, so I gotta get a tasting.
Why you don't like it? This one.
Look where I got it. Don't move. Don't make no sudden movements, because that's right there. Okay. I like Blanco better than I like this one. He is still hearing me. Every time I put the camera on him, he go though. He don't like that camera. He said, "Don't try to expose me." But yeah, y'all. I don't prefer. What is it? Anaho, Anho, whatever it is. I'm gonna call it Anaho, huh? Aniho. I don't really care for this one. I like Blanco, but most people don't. Personally, I do. But anyways, cheers. And I'm the one that said I want to drink. I think you should take another shot since you took it before I took mine.
I have a huge laundry list of stuff to get done. So I'm gonna meet with the guys, go over their hit list, and make this happen. What up? What up?
You're supposed to take it after we shoot.
Let's go over this quick little list.
You take
Make
it?
sure we're all on the same page. Okay, so
I'd be scared to take it, that's why. For one, I like it cold, and then I don't like Aniho. But I ain't gonna cap. This is the smoothest
Yeah, that shit
Aniho.
smooth as fuck.
Yeah.
That shit smooth as fuck. It don't even go down strong. And then like, it ain't even make me
It don't, but
like,
if it was Blanco, I just think I'd prepare myself for it.
If it was like that Casamigo, I'd be like,
See, I like Blanco though, so it don't bother me.
Everything, make sure it all runs off the generator.
that's the Blanco.
You wanna take another shot?
The clear
Really,
one.
this is the 11th hour.
Yeah, I wouldn't take
That
Blanco.
had me like, fuck.
It can't come back.
I like Blanco.
So
You want to take another one?
keep our fingers crossed that everybody knows
you want
what they
to.
need to do.
We're taking Blanco this time.
Hopefully have
Yeah,
a little
Casamigo.
bit of test, some
Okay,
stuff
well, I'll
before
take a Casamigo.
the reveal.
And you can drink that one.
Install the wheels.
Look at your dog.
The fuck is that camera? He probably,
You think so?
Yeah, he probably.
Because he's kind of...
So how do you
Okay, so I'm about to drink Casamigo.
kick your speakers roll it into the
I like this the best. Oh, got a little bit left, so I'm glad you don't want to drink this.
we install them
And Bae is going to drink
on the inside. We installed the
this
on-off
one.
speakers for the sound in the front.
Oh.
We made benches for seating, a new DJ counter, and our
So another thing I got hooked on when I went to Cabo is these ruffle chip. I say ruffle chips. I have 5 bags in there. Y'all, when I say I love them chips, I don't even eat chips like that, but them, a different story. I love them so much. Okay, finna pour my Aniho. I said my Aniho, my Blanco. It looks syrupy with this in there. And I'm gonna pour his, and we're gonna take another shot. But yeah, these, let me show y'all. These do not get you where you need to be. It's not a big shot. It's a big shot. Usually I have shot glasses, so I think that's why he thinks it's a big shot, because
You think no shot glass?
I know, because it's not a shot glass, but it's more round. The other ones is like narrow and real narrow with a small base. I think that's why. Come on, cheers. What is
Shot
this
glasses,
about?
you got like a double shot. Them shit's big as
No,
fuck.
I don't.
Them shit's big as
Well,
fuck.
yeah,
You
that's what I'm
tripping.
saying.
You
So
ain't got no little one.
I would pour it in there, but I don't think we need to. Let's see how much. Cheers.
We gotta bless the track. The whole studio has to get it blessed. Let's go. I got a couple of jackets from Beast Winter. Bring them in.
Yeah, please.
Let's do it.
I want to see this in
I
action.
got young Swan and Sinatras all the way from Chicago.
See, I can drink
It's gonna be a nice one.
Okay.
this one and be okay.
Fellas, come check this out, man.
It just tastes like, I don't know. I prefer that one though.
Yeah. You think it's all right?
We really excited for this.
You know, I got the dim feel, but the bright light that's hard to make it pop.
The energy, everything gonna be at a totally different level.
Well,
So listen, guys. You guys are the past jacket for Beast Winter. You just want
I just started recording around my boyfriend, and like he's never really seen me as a YouTuber, so this is new for him. Take a shot up.
It was nice to see the old shop, but now
Yeah, I went a month without drinking, and now
right now
this is my third shot, and I already feel the second one. Why is you holding it like that? Cheers. I'll see you guys in the next video.